All right, ladies and gentlemen, traders from around the world, what is going on? We got ourselves a Thursday in the building, May the 24th, and guess what? We are doing it again, crushing some stuff, feeling great about it. Let's go make some updates. Most exciting update I think we have is BILI, Billy, right towards the end of the day. I'm talking, ladies and gentlemen, the low of the day was $12.30. Holla at your boy. So we got filled on Billy right at the end of the day. Look at this 5-minute chart. I love good till cancel. Look at that. And that is what I recall the trades of the day gap. No, really, I don't know if you guys traded this or not. But for those who did, congratulations. Again, this is the one we've been talking about for the last, week and a half. Gorgeous setup. Phenomenal play. So BILI hit our 2R target. 2 R's on the nose. So $12.34, filled at $15.36 with all 132 shares. Really nice trade, team. Well done. So that one is closed and off the books. Feeling good about that game. Loving that, loving life. All right, so let's go look at a few more, and we'll come back to that one later. So here's AAOI. Market's down a little bit. AAOI actually holding up kind of strong, so I like that a lot. Let's keep that ball rolling. Next on the list is VRX. And VRX, again, we'll probably end up canceling it at some point, but I really like it if it can actually pull back down to that level, but it probably doesn't. BMY, Bristol Myers, so mentioned the market selling off today. BMY, by the skin of its teeth, is still holding on. That thing right now is a really pretty pennant pattern. We'll see what direction it breaks. Hoping it breaks bullish. Right now we're up very small. I think I'm up $3 on that trade. So hoping BMY can pop higher. That would be great. Here's WEED. Weed. Who likes the ganja? So weed, a bunch of white candles, white candle gapping up. Again, this is on the TSX. Prepared for this to prepare to get bored out of your mind on this for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. It's a retest gap. Let it retest. Let it chop around. Nothing exciting to see here. Nothing to worry about. Just let it do its thing. It's going to be pretty much a non-event for a while. But we are in that trade. MDGL, we're probably going to get stopped out at some point here soon. The 100 is doing its absolute best to hold up right now, but there's the 100, and it is certainly trying. So we'll see if that actually comes to fruition. Now, HUIA did trigger. So here is HUA. So HUIA up 8%, triggered this morning at 2088. I like the pop. Let's throw it on the list. Active, 2088, and let's see if that one can be a nice winner. IQ, I'm also real jazzed about this one, ladies and gentlemen, up 2% today. The target on IQ, 2793, which, it is kind of far away. A little bit of a tight stop. I would like to have a little bit of a tighter stop on this, or I would like to have had one, but it is what it is at this point. Is that right? 2793 seems really far away. 27, yeah, 1680. I did 1680 on your guys on the worksheet. Let me go just check this chart. If that's the case, then I'll leave that stop. I'll put it where it needs to be. I thought I increased that stop for you. I guess not. 1680. Okay. No worries. So, again, still filled. 1680. All right. So 2793 will be the target for you fine folks on that one. Good trade, though. We're in. This was just an add and reduce, just another play that I was playing. But, hey, nice trend, nice wave rotation. Look at this volume. Volume here, bullish gap and go, retest gap. Just really pretty. So, you're getting baby moving averages forming on IQ. You got to love that move. So, let's just let that keep going higher. EVHC. EVHC, I'm looking for a breakout. Probably won't happen, but we got that one set up the other day. The CME group. So here's CME, and it's also down 1%. So yep, we can cancel that one. In fact, I'm gonna put this on my day trade list for today. A lot of the financials are getting kind of wrecked today, so might be day trading some of those later. Gonna cancel this one. And then BABA, BABA, was just looking at playing BABA on a pullback, right? So it did kind of gap up a little bit today. It could rest. I mean, I like the white candle gapping up. Don't know how we're pulling over to Apple now. But here it is, BABA. And again, just a really gorgeous range here at this 200. I mean, that's a very nice resistance. So let BABA hang out. We got the pullback at 193.52. We'll definitely leave that open. If you have BABA open, you could certainly consider some covered calls. June 210 or June 220 should be expiring worthless before at some point. Really interesting what the SPY is doing today. I really did not expect as much bearishness as it's getting, but I guess that's okay. Probably going to pull down to the 20, just make sure some people are whipsawed, and then we'll see what occurs from there. But bottom line on the SPY, just watching it, nice little consolidation. We'll see what she does. Markets are still going to be choppy for a while, but I am looking for some put sale opportunity, and it probably will be on Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs almost unquestionably is going to come down to this 227 range. When it does that, we'll probably be selling some puts around the 200 mark on Goldman Sachs. Bull put spread, something like that. So I'm still waiting for some put sales. I like some option sales in this area. Gold did kind of pop up a little bit today. So I got a bull put spread, so we'll see what happens on gold. Okay, so newest trade is going to be Netflix, NFLX. And Netflix, don't know if it retests this today, but Netflix is going to 400 in the next few months, almost without question. Worth more than Comcast now, Netflix is, so that's kind of big news. 2018, NFLX, and 338.76, 338.76, with a stop loss at 325.53. 325.53. And shares, it's obviously bullish. It's a very nice trend. Keep your eyes, ladies and gentlemen, though, on Netflix for sure. I mean, the trend is unquestionable. It looks really nice. It's been acting really nice. If we come back over here to this chart, I mean, that's a very pretty nice little trend. So if it doesn't bounce, or I should say if it doesn't pull back to 338, that's fine. It could pull all the way back to this 50 EMA and then bounce. But my girlfriend has a few shares of Netflix, and that's mostly because she wants to be an owner rather than just a buyer. Right? Own rather than buy. If you have a Netflix subscription, and a lot of you probably do, I would vastly consider having at least 10 shares. Even though it's a $3,000 investment at this point, you know, those 10 shares could easily help pay for your Netflix subscription. I mean, if we go from 348 to 400, right, even on 10 shares, that's a $600 profit. And, you know, that's nothing to sneeze about. Well, not quite $600, $500, but $500, man. If it goes from here to 400 on 10 shares, that's just math. So $500, you sell that, and that pays for your Netflix subscription for what, the next 10 years? And then you sell those shares and then buy some more. So just, you know, be smart. Be an owner rather than just a consumer or just a buyer. Do your thing. Make sure that you mitigate your risk. If it's a short-term trade, if it's a long-term trade, just invest in companies that you know how they make money. You use them, you love their products, all that kind of good stuff. So, all right, folks, you're amazing. Hopefully this was beneficial and helpful, and I truly do hope you are absolutely wrecking this with me. We're doing really well. I love doing this, love keeping track of everything. I love all the green. Looks like Christmas here in the account. All right, folks, you guys rock. We'll talk later, which is tomorrow. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.